Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to rename your headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra with using your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your headphones and then click on name. Now write the best one name for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. And after you finish, click. Oh, excuse me. I have another keyboard. Yeah, just click done and go back. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.